Discover the perfect shoes for your black jeans, from casual to elegant. Get ready to elevate your style game with my go-to guide. Master the art of mixing and matching shoes with black jeans. First up, my personal favorite, skinny black jeans paired with my trusty white sneakers. It's a look that is effortlessly cool and has never let me down, whether I'm out for coffee or running around city. Witness the sophistication of straight-leg black jeans meeting the sleek charm of ankle boots, perfect for those who mean business with a touch of elegance. Heels and high-waisted jeans. Watch how high-waisted black jeans elevate to new heights with the right pair of heels. A match made in fashion heaven for a night out on the town. Loafers and cuffed jeans. And for a twist of the classic, see how cuffed black jeans pair beautifully with loafers, blending comfort with chic like never before. But we're just scratching the surface. To truly master the art of pairing shoes with black jeans, let's explore how different jean styles can set the tone for your entire outfit. Skinny black jeans. For a casual day out, nothing beats the combination of skinny jeans with a pair of bold statement sneakers. But when the sun sets, transform your look with some high ankle boots or stiletto heels for an instant touch of glam. Remember, skinny jeans are all about highlighting your silhouette. Choose shoes that elongate your legs for an elegant, chic look. Straight leg black jeans. Straight leg black jeans offer versatility. Pair them with minimalistic sneakers for a modern, understated look, or step into some Chelsea boots for a smart casual transition that's perfect for any occasion. Straight leg jeans work wonders in balancing proportions. Opt for shoes that don't overpower the jeans but complement the straight fall of the fabric. Embrace the flow with wide leg or flared black jeans. This style calls for shoes with a statement. Think chunky platform boots or elegant wedges that add height and keep your jeans gracefully off the ground. With wide leg jeans, it's all about maintaining a balance. Ensure your shoes give you the right lift to prevent the jeans from dragging, all while adding an edge to your overall look. Now, let's take a closer look at shoe types and how they can transform your black jeans into something extraordinary. First up, sneakers, the epitome of comfort and style. Whether you are rocking skinny jeans or embracing the wide leg trend, a pair of crisp white sneakers or bold statement kicks can add a thoughtless cool to your casual look. For an instant uplift, match your sneakers with your top or an accessory for a cohesive, laid-back look. Boots are your all-season friends, from sleek ankle boots to edgy combat styles. Pair them with straight-leg jeans for a smart casual vibe, or let them peek out under wide-leg jeans for a hint of attitude. Play with textures and lengths. A suede boot adds a soft touch, while a boot that hits just above the ankle can elongate your legs. Heels. When it's time to dress up, heels are your secret weapon. High-waisted jeans with a pair of heels can turn heads and set the stage for a stunning evening look. Coordinate your heels with your bag or jewelry to add an extra layer of sophistication to your night out ensemble. Loafers and flats. For those days when you crave comfort without compromising on style, loafers and flats are your go-to. Perfect with cuffed jeans or skinny fits, they offer a chic finish to any daytime outfit. Opt for a pointed toe flats to add a dash of elegance to your everyday look. Shoes aren't just footwear, they are a defining piece of your outfit. But why stop there? It's essential to understand not only which colors to choose, but also how they impact your look. The 3-color rule helps us create harmony, while bright colors, especially on your feet, can shape perception. Let's explore how to use color to your advantage, making your style statement both balanced and impactful. The 3-color rule in action. Embrace the 3-color rule for a harmonious outfit. Combine your black jeans and bright shoes with a top in the complementary color. But remember, bright shoes draw attention. Choose the right shade and style to ensure they enhance your look without overpowering it. If you love vibrant colors but want to keep a balanced silhouette, opt for sleek shoe designs. Pointed toes or shoes that fit snugly around your feet can make your legs look longer and stop your feet from looking bigger than they actually are. Match your shoe color with another element of your outfit to distribute attention evenly across your look, maintaining a balanced, cohesive style. But this is just the beginning. I challenge you to push boundaries, mix unexpected elements, and let your creativity run wild. Fashion is about discovering who you are and daring to express it, one outfit at a time. In this video, I will share my favorite styles of black jeans and outfit ideas you can try this year.